Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fantastic. So today I am going to introduce a very beautiful poem to you all. Unit 3, Going Places, Chapter 1, Come Back Soon. First let us recite this poem. Take a bus or take a train. Take a boat or take a plane. Take a taxi, take a car, maybe near or maybe far. Take a rocket to the moon, but be sure to come back soon. Did you like the poem? Let us do it one more time. Take a bus or take a train. Take a boat or take a plane. Take a taxi, take a car, maybe near or maybe far. Take a rocket to the moon, but be sure to come back soon. Do you know what the poem is talking about? The poem is trying to say that even if you take a car or you take a plane or even if you take a rocket to the moon, you can go near or you can go far, but be sure to come back soon. But you should definitely visit all the beautiful wonders this world has, because our world is big and wide and full of interesting elements. You should definitely get to know all of them. Now, while we were reading the poem, I think we saw many sight words in there. Did you? Were you able to spot the sight words? Spot them with me. Take, is, the, or, to, maybe. These were the sight words that were in the poem. You should always be very vigilant to spot the sight words. Okay? With sight words, there were many new words in the poem, right? We should definitely get to know the new words like train, boat, plane, taxi, near, and rocket. You should make a list of all of these new words, alright? Now we discussed the new words already. I hope you all know the new words by now. Be sure to make a list. Okay, I hope you have understood the meaning of the poem. Now it is time to do a few fun questions. Okay? Have you ever traveled by a bus or a train? Have you? I have. I have traveled by a train many times, and it is so fun to travel by a train. So, next time whenever you are going out, be sure to tell your parents that you have to travel in a train. And if you have traveled in a train, what did you eat on the way? Do you know? The train stops at many different stations, and all of those stations have yummy, delicious food. So, whenever you are traveling on a train next time, be sure to eat a lot of food. Okay? I think that will be it with the questions, and rest of the questions are homework for you. Alright? I hope you have understood the meaning of this poem. But I have one more poem for you. It is time to do yet another poem. But not here. Let's go.
Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. So today we will start a new poem. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So do with me with actions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody stop.
Everybody stop.
Everybody stand.
Everybody stand.
Everybody sit.
Everybody sit.
And raise your hand.
And raise your hand.
Everybody jump.
Everybody jump.
Everybody run.
Everybody run.
Everybody stop.
Everybody stop.
Oh, what fun!
Oh, what fun!
So, students, have you enjoyed the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is your homework. On page number 39, let us draw. So, when you are going with your parents outside, which vehicle you used? Draw a picture of vehicle that you like the most. Okay? on page number 39.
So, did you all have fun doing the poem? I'm sure you did. Okay, do you know what are modes of transports? Modes of transports are vehicles that we use to travel from one place to another. And there are 3 types of modes of transport. Do you know what? Air transport, land transport, and water transport. Air transport that flies in the air. Land transport, vehicles that travel on the road. And water transport, vehicles where? On the water. So let us make a list of these kinds of transport. Land, air and water. Can we put bus in land transport? Yes, we can, because bus travels on the road. Can we put aeroplane in land transport? No, we cannot, because aeroplane is a type of air transport. It flies up in the air, in the sky. Can we put ship in the land transport? No, we cannot, because ship travels in the water, right? I think you have understood what are the types of modes of transport, right? And I have given you some homework as well. Be sure to complete it. Now I will teach you about yet another interesting thing. I will teach you about a vowel. Do you know what is a vowel? Do you know how many vowels do we have? A, E, I, O, U. And today we are going to talk about the vowel U. Firstly, do you know what is the sound of vowel U? Can you say that? The sound of vowel U is let us take a few examples of vowel U, okay? For example, an umbrella. Umbrella. Do you see? Is what? The vowel U. And did you notice there is an in front of umbrella? Because we always put an in front of all the vowels. Alright? Remember that. A truck. 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 Now U here is the vowel U. A duck. 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 Let's take more examples. A jug. Jug. Ugg. Jug. A mug. Mug. Do you notice? Do you notice the sound A coming everywhere? That is the vowel U. A cup. Cup. Now I think I have already told you about many examples. Rest of the examples are homework for you to practice at home. Be sure to practice the sound of vowel U and remember that we use an in front of all the words that are beginning with a vowel. Alright? I hope you had a lot of fun in the class and understood everything. I had a lot of fun. I will see you next time. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.